Okay, the name of this video is going to be my Scamp Trailer without a bathroom. A lot of people ask me about why I didn't get a bathroom. The bottom line is, I wanted a sofa. I wanted the extra room, the shower in the bathroom. I don't feel like it has adequate pressure for me because, I mean, face it, if I'm out for a week, I don't need to shower but once or twice in that week, and I'll hit a state park or a truck stop or, you know, a friend's house, wherever. So I wanted the extra room, so I got it like this. Anyway, as far as my bathroom setup, this is the way I do it. I had to make a list so I'd have it all. Okay, as far as pooping, got me a poop bucket. There you go, poop bucket. You poop, you double bag it. You get your roll of bags. Anyway, they're around here someplace. Get them at Walmart for about $5. I double roll it, just dispose of it after I poop. As far as keeping yourself clean, basically all you need is your toilet paper. Everybody needs toilet paper. And then you use wet ones to clean up afterwards. It's as simple as that. As far as using urinating, men can just use a pee bottle. Pretty simple stuff. I mean, if you're camping, you should be used to being out in the woods. I backpacked most of my life, so to me, this is the way to go, and I have all this extra space. Okay, as far as showering, that's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is heat you up some water. I got a little one-eyed burner stove. This is a real neat little gadget right here. It plugs into your DC right here, and it turns DC into 110. So if it's raining or I can't do it outside, I can do it in the trailer just like that. Heat my water up, soap up, good to go. Got a towel and a washcloth. Pretty simple stuff. And if you do take a shower, towel, washcloth, flip-flops, state park, truck stops, wherever you want to do it, make sure you take flip-flops because most of the time the showers are pretty nasty. But anyway, towel, washcloth, it all fits up here in this cabinet for me. And as far as a bathroom kit, I got this from LL Bean. It's everything I need. It's pretty simple. When I'm cleaning up, just hang it up there like that. It's got my shampoo. It's got my body soap. It's got my deodorant, my shaving cream, and up here first aid kit. And the good thing about this, all this stuff gets packed away. This here pot goes under here with my pots and pans. All this stuff here goes up here in this cabinet. When I shave, I have me a little mirror to shave with. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, as far as the poop bucket, it goes in the bottom of my cabinet, below the bottom shelf. So I know y'all can't see it probably, but anyway, the shelf picks up and the poop bucket fits right in there. So everything's put away, and I still have my sofa space. I mean, if I wanted to lug a house around behind me, I would have gotten me a stick build. I wouldn't have gotten me a little fiberglass Scamp 13-footer. But as far as lightweight, this was the way to go. I pulled this with a Subaru Outback 2.5 motor. I've been up and down the Rockies, up and down the Alleghenies. I've been across Canada, no problems pulling it with my Subaru. I keep my weight down, and I guess my next video is going to be how I pack my Scamp, how I pack the car. But anyway, that is my bathroom, and that is how I do it. So if you have any questions or comments, put them on me. If you liked the video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I hope you learned something. I mean, pretty simple stuff. I mean, it's 101 camping. Okay, well, that's it for now. Be good. Bye.